Hi all, welcome to my new video. Guys, here's the product, the Diecast 1:43 scale model of Ford Raptor F-150, a popular pickup SUV in the US. This Diecast Raptor comes in a hot red color with amazing rubber tires and alloy. It also comes with two openable doors and features a detailed interior along with a cargo space. This mini SUV comes with pullback action feature. Now let's test it on the road. Let's take this for a mini off-road test drive. Like, share and comment on my video. Subscribe and click on the bell icon for my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Till our next video. Bye.